Now we are going to look at extraocular muscles. There are seven extraocular muscles, four recti, two oblique, and one palpebrae superior. Two oblique muscles, superior oblique and inferior oblique, and one is palpebrae superioris, levator palpebrae superioris. So we will be discussing nerve supply of all of these muscles, all seven extraocular muscles. Lateral rectus has nerve supply of abducens nerve, sixth cranial nerve, and it has also function of abduction. So we can say that abducent and abduction we can memorize in this way. Superior oblique has trochlear nerve supply, while all other three has oculomotor nerve supply. So in this way, levator palpebrae superioris has also third cranial nerve supply. So in this way, all of these seven extraocular muscles has different nerve supply, like LR6 and SO4 is a mnemonic. Lateral rectus has sixth cranial nerve, superior oblique has fourth cranial nerve supply, while all other has third cranial nerve supply.